Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Our today's amazing assignment is based on the concept geometry and from this worksheet textbook page number 108. Okay, let us start our first question. Draw line segments of the following lengths. Okay, how will you draw any line segment children? By taking the ruler and considering the initial point. Okay, that is at 0 and 3 centimeters you require, right? Keep the ending point and draw a line using the ruler. Okay, draw a line using the ruler. This line segment is of length 3 centimeters and you can name this line segment as PQ or AB, and this is of length 3 centimeters. Okay children, like this you have to draw on your notebook. Next, EF equal to, okay, here the name was given as AP, right? So you have to keep the name as it is given, right? Don't take your own name, take A and B, right? You have to take the initial point as A and ending point as B, and then name that figure as, that line segment as AB with length 3 centimeters. Okay, right. And the next one is EF, 5 centimeters. So again consider the ruler. Take initial point, that is E, and F, 5 centimeters. Okay, and now draw a line by joining those 2 points. Okay, and name that line segment as EF, right? And this is of length 5 centimeters. Okay, like this you have to consider the initial point and ending point based on the ruler. Okay, and then you have to draw this type of line segment. Okay children, let's move to the next question. Draw 2 closed figures and 2 open figures. What do you mean by closed figure? Whenever you will start from one point, you have to end at the same point. For example, I am taking circle as my closed figure. I have started here and I have completed there. Or else you can take oval. Okay. Circle is a closed figure. Any other closed figure children? I am considering another closed figure, triangle. You have started at one point and you have completed at that same point, right? You require 2 closed figures and 2 open figures, right? Let us drag. If you want to look at this, right. And next, open figures. How will you draw any open figure? There is some open, right? And again I will draw something like star and I won't close it. This is an open figure. Or else you can take any parallelogram like this. This is also an open figure. Identify the following types of figures. Next one is identify the following types of figures. See, here there is one initial point and it is extending like this. So this is named as, what do you name this children? It is a ray. And here if you observe, there are 2 lines. What do you call this type of 2 lines which are side by side? Parallel lines. They both are parallel. So what do you call them? Parallel lines. And these 2 lines are intersecting at one point, vertical line and horizontal line, right? These are known as perpendicular lines, and perpendicularly, they are not simply intersecting, they are intersecting perpendicularly. So these lines are known as perpendicular lines. And the next one, this is one starting point is there, initial point is there, one ending point is there. In between them, using those 2 points, there is a line segment, right? So this is known as line segment. Line segment, fixed length. It has a fixed length. Right, let us move to the next one. Copy these figures on a dot grid. Okay, here is a triangle. You have to copy the same figure on this dot grid. Let us copy this. From here to 3 dots, right? We will also arrange 3 dots in the same way. Like this, we will join, okay, and then I have to draw another side, and then I will join the baseline, okay, right. And what about this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points were joined. Let us draw by joining 5 points. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Another 5 points horizontally. 4, 5 points, and then 3 points. 3, and here again horizontally 3 points, and from there diagonally 3 points, right? Same figure was formed. Is it correct? Yes. Let's move to the next page. Trace the common shape found in the objects. Write the name of the shape. Here, if you observe, by tracing this, if you put a book on a table or on a book, okay, on a paper, and just trace the bottom, then you will get a rectangular shape. And from this picture, if you are able to look at the picture, that looks like what? Cuboid. What do you call this? Cuboid. And this is cube. And this is cylinder. And what about this? Cone. Okay, right. Next, look at the given figure. Complete the statements given below. See, there is a compass, right? Here north, south, east, west directions were mentioned. In between north and east, you are having northeast, and in between east and south, you are having southeast. Between south and west, you are having southwest, and west and north, you are having northwest. Right? Now you have to look at this grid, and you have to look at where is Pia's house, where is swimming pool, where is post office, Raju's home, Jew. Like this, you have to identify in which direction they are. Dash is to the south of Pia's home. Dash is to the south of Pia's home. Which is south? South side from Pia's home? Post office. So, consider post office. Raju's home is to the dash of the swimming pool. Look at Raju's home and swimming pool is here, right? In which direction it is? Raju's home is to the dash of the swimming pool. Raju's home, here it is, right? From the swimming pool, Raju's home is towards, if you observe this side, right? Then it will become southwest. Southwest. Jew is to the dash of the swimming pool. Observe the Jew, and where is Jew to the swimming pool? It is northwest. Northwest. Dash is to the north of Raju's home. Where is Raju's home located on the map? Here, right? Dash is to the north of, north side. What is north side to Raju's home? From Raju's home, north side. This is north side. And what is there in the north side? That is Jew. So, Jew is to the north of Raju's home. Okay? Right. Like this you have to complete the map, children, and then you have to find out the directions, compass you have to keep aside and complete the fill in the blanks based on the map. At first you have to observe the map and then compare this map along with the compass and then answer the fill in the blanks, right? Okay children, hope you understood the session. Thank you.